Rock star or jet set executive?
Rock and roll jet set executive.
No problem. Now, a second home in Aspen or Saint-Tropez?
Both?
Done. Now, a nice girlfriend that mom will love or a bad girl?
Well, nice. But with an adventurous streak.
Yes, of course. You're not a man accustomed to compromise, I see. Which brings me to the matter of your automobile. One must ride in style.
Fisker Karma.
Absolutely not. No associate of mine is going to drive a hybrid that gets 50 gas-free miles to the gallon, has reclaimed wood interior trim, and a huge solar roof. Not going to happen.
The Karma is style, it's performance, it's respect for the planet. It's the perfect package.
I have arrangements in place. People to take care of. Oil, gas industries. They depend on me. I hate clean air. It hurts my eyes.
Sorry.
Yeah. Just lost another one. That car,